Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, January 16th and 17th, 2016. And we're going to have this system here that was a very strong wrapped up system here offshore that is going to move away from the area this morning. So some very early morning showers here, and we'll have gradual clearing, and then we should see the gradual decreasing clouds in most areas this afternoon from southwest to northeast. Now, this is a very interesting storm here because we're sitting here now in the middle of January, and it's very, very rare to see a 979 millibar low sitting in this position and not do anything as far as give us any snow. And in any other situation without this low pressure up here in the lakes here, if you did not have this here, we would be talking about a major snowfall. Now we didn't get a tremendous amount of rain overnight for most locations, but a lot of dry air in the middle here between these two systems that was caused by the fact that this was to the west here. So if this was taking this kind of track right up the coast like this here and came right over the benchmark, you would have had an incredible amount of snow with this. So we're talking about at least many locations over a foot and a half of snow. But of course, because the warm air is brought in by this system coming to the west, this system was what snow lovers like to call a wasted system, a wasted opportunity. But there are other opportunities out there that we're looking at in the long range, but we are uncertain about the next one. This next one was the MLK threat we were talking about for the last couple of weeks in our long range. It does look like after it clears out later Saturday night, we're going to have Sunday with another increase in clouds and some snow showers late in the day. But this system coming off the southeastern U.S. coastline is coming awfully close, and actually shows it has moved northwest from its previous runs, and then just ends up heading out in this direction here like this. But you can see the northwest side of this precip shield getting awfully close here. Actually gets right to the edge here of the coastal areas of southern New Jersey and Delaware, so we'll have to keep an eye on this. It did shift pretty significantly northwest from its most recent run, so if it continues to do that and a shift like that again, we'd be talking about some serious issues here. But so if we do have anything to change, this is a very unlikely situation. This does switch to the far enough to the northwest to affect or greatly impact our area. But if it does, we will follow it up this weekend on the Facebook page and through our Twitter avenues, so we can get that information out if needed. Again, that's like a 10% chance that something like that happens, but we will continue to monitor it. It wouldn't be impossible to see something like that with the model shifting northwest here. So the impacts for so far right now look to be the four eastern areas, but regardless, we are going to have another system right here, a little weak system, that's going to bring in some trailing energy here, some northern stream energy. So we will get into some snow shower activities later Sunday. Sunday night for the most part, maybe a few snow showers on Monday morning also, but for the most part this is a later Sunday night snow showers deal. And again, we're watching the coastal areas. If this thing comes close, we could be in for an interesting ride here along the shore points at the very least. So after that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week rounds out our 6-day forecast period. We're going to get a little bit breezy here on Tuesday, and that's going to usher in some very cold air Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, where temperatures not getting above freezing in many locations, and high pressure is going to be in control over weather for that entire time frame. So we're talking about just mostly sunny skies for the most part. We'll have to watch another cold front coming through here. You can see that moving from west to east across the area here. That's going to kind of dissipate as it moves eastward, and that would be for next Thursday. So you might have maybe a few more clouds here on Thursday, but still remaining on the cold side. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, January 16th and 17th, 2016. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.